If you're searching for culinary inspiration that goes beyond the ordinary, look no further than the top 5 innovative recipes redefining the way we cook and eat in 2025. This new era of cuisine is marked by a fusion of tradition and technology, a deep commitment to sustainability, and a flair for global flavors. These standout dishes are not just delicious, they represent the future of food, where every bite is crafted with creativity, purpose, and a touch of science. Let's start with the fusion umami mushroom risotto. Imagine the creamy comfort of classic Italian risotto, but with a twist that excites all your senses. This dish leverages the power of Japanese umami by introducing lab-cultivated rare mushrooms, which bring an earthy depth that's almost impossible to achieve with conventional ingredients. Thanks to AI-optimized cooking temperatures, the risotto's texture is consistently perfect, and cooking time is slashed by nearly half. Fermented koji rice adds a layer of complexity, while molecular gastronomy techniques turn this humble comfort food into a symphony of flavors. Each forkful offers a taste that's both familiar and refreshingly new, making it a must-try for plant-based enthusiasts and adventurous eaters alike. Next is precision-cooked heritage chicken with adaptive sauce, an example of how technology is personalizing the dining experience. No two chickens are alike, especially heritage breeds, which can be notoriously tricky to prepare just right. With smart oven technology, each piece of poultry is monitored and cooked to perfection, locking in juices and maximizing flavor. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The accompanying sauce is tailored to your exact taste preferences. An intelligent algorithm delicately balances acidity and spice, ensuring that every plate is uniquely yours. This dish is the epitome of modern comfort, combining the best of tradition, precision, and personalization. For those passionate about sustainability, the zero-waste vegetable terrine with upcycled garnish is a true revelation. This recipe takes farm to table to the next level by utilizing every part of each vegetable, from root to peel. Peels and stems are transformed into flavorful gels and crisp garnishes, eliminating food waste and showcasing the natural beauty of seasonal produce. Ingredients are sourced from regeneratively farmed suppliers, and the cooking process is carbon neutral, making this terrine as good for the planet as it is for your palate. The result is a visually striking, multi-layered dish that celebrates the art of conscientious cooking. Dessert lovers will be intrigued by the neuro-enhanced chocolate soufflé. This isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's food for your mind. Crafted with rare cacao varieties and enriched with nootropic ingredients and adaptogenic mushrooms, the soufflé delivers rich chocolate flavor along with cognitive and mood-boosting benefits. It's a dessert that indulges your sweet tooth while supporting brain health, combining the wisdom of ancient wellness traditions with the precision of modern culinary science. Whether you're ending a meal or seeking a midday pick-me-up, this soufflé is sure to make a lasting impression. Finally, the hyper-local urban pasta with vertical farm pesto redefines what it means to eat local. In bustling cities, fresh ingredients are often just steps away, thanks to rooftop gardens and vertical farms. This innovative pasta is crafted from flour milled from ancient grains grown above city streets, paired with a pesto made from herbs harvested in vertical greenhouses. Adaptable to whatever is grown within a stone's throw of your kitchen, this dish is a celebration of urban agriculture and sustainability. Each bite connects you to your community and the future of food. These 5 recipes are more than just meals. They're experiences that highlight how innovation, sustainability, and global inspiration can come together to transform everyday cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious home cook, now is the perfect time to explore these groundbreaking dishes and discover a new world of flavor.